my hand, I'll get you down.
Did you take it?
Okay.
Okay, now, what I want to know... No,
I'm going for a ride. What are you going to ride?
I'm coming in there.
You riding that?
Yeah. I'm on it.
I thought you wanted to ride your quad.
What?
That's yours.
That's yours, bud. Happy birthday. The red one.
Oh, yay. Can you believe it?
Go check it out, buddy.
I got tears in my eyes. Yay! Can I go and,
It works, too.
Yay. Go.
Fire it up, buddy.
Fire it up, dude. Fire it up.
That one.
Oh, what is that?
This one.
Okay, ride the back. Can I go?
Oh, Justin. What a wonderful...
Neutral, brake on.
That's nice.
Get the brake on.
These guys didn't know either, did they?
I don't know.
No, you don't have to.
Hold on, you guys.
The golf cart messed it all up, man. Goddamn golf cart.
Then you hear that fuel pump cycle?
Oh, hold on.
Now you need to get behind him, Neil. Ride with him for a minute. Neil. Get on behind him.
Suze, get a picture of him smiling, will you?
Here, Justin.
Smile, Justin.
That's off. The blade will go out. That means it's in full drive. That means
Wait.
put this.
Why don't you, huh? I didn't think it was that. You'll see. Why don't you get a helmet on and then take it for a ride?
The helmet's over in the shed.
There's ones in the back of my truck, Ma.
He has his in that.
You have a matching helmet with the quad, too, and goggles.
What? Can I back up?
The helmet
Yeah.
is going to fit him. Well,
Yeah.
his other one will too. though.
These ones in the truck will fit them.
He has his in the shed.
Grab, it don't matter.
There's one over there in the shed.
Not that one. Not that one.